Hey you guys, Squint here. Today is a package opening day. This was sent all the way from England from Mr. Daz Evers. Thank you so much, Daz, for sending me this package. He sent me a little email, said I had something on the way. So we're going to get this thing open and see what Daz has sent all the way across the pond. It's been a little bit since I've done a package opening, so it was good to get one in. Especially from Daz. He's an awesome contributor to this community, and yeah. Oh man, great! This is my first package from Daz, so I'm really excited. So, as you guys know, anytime you get a package, it's always goodness. If you can get it out of the package, it's boxed up real well. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, let's go ahead and slide this out. Get that out of the way before we lose a finger. There's lots of locks in there. Alright. Here we go. Awesome, cool. All right, another Albert LaBelle lock. Kind of go through these one by one. We'll set them off to the side. Well, Albert LaBelle lock. He's got this one called Springy. All right, awesome. Another lock from Mr. Albert LaBelle. Cool, cool. All right. I've got a couple actually I'm going to send back your way, Daz, from Al, so be on the lookout for those, my friend. Okay, there's a couple of locks from Daz himself. This one's number 28, or sorry, nope, 98. Number 98. It's got a mummied up key. And this one is number 96. And that's the key that goes with that. So a couple challenge locks from Daz. I just recently picked another one of his. Daz makes some great challenge locks, so thank you, my friend, for sending those. Let's go here, see what we got. Oh, a little rustling. Nice, it's beautiful. It is from Trekmaster 30. He's got this one called the Big 5. Works beautiful. It's a nice, beautiful little lock. There's the bitting on it. Looks like it's going to be loads of fun. Trekmaster 30. One of the greats. Big 5. Okay, I'm not sure. I've definitely haven't picked that one, so that's good. Alright, what do we got here? This is Goldie by Pickaholic. Okay. It's got a mummied up key. The LSDA key. Nice little lock there from Pickaholic. all right, cool. There's a little Bronc Lock Picker 60. Let's see if I can find the key. You talking to me? Yeah, so the Bronc Lock Picker 60's lock. You talking to me? A little challenge lock. And then we got one here from Pick Me 1977. One Lockwood to rule them all. Oh, so that's a Lockwood. Yep, there we go. There's the key bitting on it. Works beautiful. Really smooth. I love picking Pick Me's locks. And then we have, I think this is UK Lockpicker, UKLP, number 6. There's what the key says. It's got UK and then a lock. So UK lock pickers, which is my first challenge lock from him, I believe. I've gotten a few things. Yeah, there we go on the front. You can see. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'll definitely have to pick them with his lock pick. You guys can see that. Yeah. All right, so yeah, cool. This is his number 6 challenge lock. Awesome. Works real good. And then we have no doubt a Bill Bacardi, number 84. I don't know, Bill's locks have been scaring me lately. I just picked that multi-lock and that thing was a beast. Oh, okay, this is a Cava Peaks. Man, look at that keyway. Hopefully you guys can see it. I know the lights kind of being crazy with me right now. Hopefully you guys can see that keyway. Trying to angle the light a little bit. There's the key bitting on it. Crazy, crazy Bill Bacardi keyway and bitting. Of course, works real smooth. All right, that's a load of challenge locks there from Daz. Let's get down to, oh man. It's got this one called Ebony. It's a pick. It's my first Daz Evers pick. Wow. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous here. Wow, goodness gracious. Look at this thing. Make sure you guys can see it. Man, that thing is just beautiful. You can tell lots of hard work has gone into that. I'm not a pick collector by any means, but this is one of those picks. I don't know if you really want to use it or not. I'm definitely going to. I'm gonna have to use it. So, man, that's so awesome. Hopefully you guys can see that. The detail and the work that Daz does. Come on, light. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Maybe that'll help. It's just nighttime outside, so I don't get the natural light from the window that I usually have. Man. Beautiful profile. I'm excited, man. I don't even know what to say. That is just phenomenal. Fits perfect. It's real light. I mean, if I wish you guys could see the difference in, like, even compared to a Peterson hook or a Peterson pick with a plastic handle. You know, this just feels, wow. Nicely polished up. Just beautiful, Daz. Absolutely amazing, my friend. Thank you so much. It's crazy. You know, we got some awesome people in this community, and for somebody to take the time, that's the biggest thing with these, is knowing the amount of time that it takes to make one of these, and the effort, the resources. Wow. Just too cool, buddy. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. That's awesome. I've seen some of the pics that you've sent to Bill Bacardi, and he uses them and just swears by them. So I'm excited about getting one of your picks. I'll definitely take care of it, my friend. You know, I'll pick some stuff with it for sure. I'm like I said, I'm not necessarily a collector of picks, but to get a pick that somebody spent so much time on is just an honor. Too cool. All right, well, I'm not going to sit here and ramble on too much, but Daz, thank you. You guys can see just the effort that he's put into this, and to have a custom pick by somebody. I have some custom picks from multi-lock picks, you know, that I kind of keep and use, but man, just getting these things, just getting custom picks, puts you without, you know, words. Honestly, I could sit here and just hold this thing and not really even want to pick with it. So, oh man, Daz, thank you so much, my friend. This is awesome. I really do appreciate it. This is too cool. My first custom pick from Daz. I don't even know what to say. It's just beautiful. You really outdone yourself. I hope I can repay the favor here shortly. I'm not much into pick building, but I can definitely send you some locks. So I wanted to get this video up so you know that it made it, and share with everybody what you sent Thank you so much. I appreciate everybody for the support. Thanks, Daz, again. This is awesome, buddy. All right, guys. Enough rambling on. I appreciate it. Appreciate each and every one of my subscribers and you guys for keep pushing me and with this hobby and this sport. So, all right, guys. This is Squint, and I will be on to the next lock.